ההרים רגלי מבשר מה נבו על ההרים רגלי מבשר משמיע ישוע משמיע שלום משמיע ישוע משמיע שלום כל צופה יכנסו כל יחדיו ירננו כל צופה יכנסו כל יחדיו ירננו משמיע ישוע משמיע שלום משמיע ישוע משמיע שלום
How beautiful upon the mountains are the feet of the herald, the one who proclaims peace, who brings tidings of good and proclaims deliverance. All your sentries raise their voices and shout together in triumph, for clearly they see the return of the Lord to Zion.
Navu על ההרים רגלי מבשר נבו על ההרים רגלי מבשר משמיע ישוע משמיע שלום משמיע ישוע משמיע שלום נבו על ההרים רגלי מבשר נבו על ההרים רגלי מבשר משמיע ישוע משמיע שלום משמיע ישוע משמיע שלום משמיע שלום
So, the first part is very simple. You're all facing into the circle, and what you're going to do is take your right hand and your right foot and go in on the first beat, and then come out, and then same with the left, and then out, and then you go down. Just bend your knees, just bounce it like this, just once, and you bring your arms across and scoop up. So you do that for the intro twice, and then for the verse, what you're going to do is the same move, but instead of going down, you're going to do a Mayan. So you do right in and then out, left in and then out, and then cross over, and then do a coupe. So for those of you who don't know what a Mayim is, it is this move. It's very simple. It's 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it starts on the right foot, just crossing over. So it's just cross and then out, behind and then out. So that's a Mayim. So once you've done for the verse, the in and then the out, then you're going to do a Mayim. And while you do the Mayim, you just do the same cross that you did in the intro. So when your feet cross for the first part of the Mayim, your arms go down and then come up, behind, out. So if we do Mayim, so it's just right over, left out, right behind, left out. That's all it is. Then after the Mayim, you do a coupe. So it's just right and both your right appendages crossing over and then coming back. So a coupe is just like this. You just pretend that your wrist and your ankle are tied together when you do a coupe. So when you do a coupe, you just do this. You cross over and then back. Cross over and back. So that's what a coupe is. So we'll start from the top. So the intro goes like this. So just in and then out, left in and then out and then down, and then up. So you do that twice for the intro, and then for the verse, we do this. So it's the same as the intro, then left in and then out, and then the Mayim, over, out, behind, out, and then a coupe. So there you go. That is the intro and the verse. So now the chorus for Navu goes like this. Very simple move. This is one of my favorite dance moves. It's just 2 sweeps in and then 2 sweeps out, and then do the Mayim and the coupe conglomerate again. So for the feet, what the feet look like for the swing in and the going out, it's just right together, right, then left together, left. So that's all the feet do for the sweeping in, but the arms is where the magic happens. So what you do is just step together, step, then back together, left. So when you go in, you're just kind of gathering to yourself, and then as you step back, it's kind of a presenting move. So yeah, then you go in, and then back, and then do the same Mayim, cross, over, out, behind, coupe, and then back, and then you repeat that, and that is pretty much the whole dance. So the outline for Navu is you have the intro, and then you have the verse, and then the chorus, and then you repeat all of that, and then it just goes back and forth between the verse and the chorus over and over again. And then just for the end, you just do one final, very slow sweeping in, and then a sweep out, and then for a final pose, you just scoop up, and then just hold it. So that is the tutorial for Navu. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me or comment in the comment section below. But until next time, go forth in the dance.